persons are of the opinion that green water is all that bad, and that in the natural environment, green water might not exist as how it exists within our ponds and in our aquarium. Now, I am along the Bagua Gorge in Jamaica. They call it the Rio Cobre River, and this river has different sections where in which you can actually see the green water. Right, this is a natural flow of water from a wetland area, right? And as you can see further over into the bushes, this wetland area is overlaid with vegetation, right? And water would actually flow from the mountainside down into the stream, which feeds the river, and the river goes into a dam, which is used to provide domestic as well as commercial and agricultural water supply to persons within the corporate area, along with St. Catherine, Clarendon and other communities, right? So just a quick note here, green water is a natural thing within the environment. The good thing about this water supply is that the water is always flowing, so although the water is green, you can see that there is a good supply of oxygen within the water along the river. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day. Riley here. Peace.